can hear the pheasant and the skylarks and the pigeons. It's a very misty morning this morning. It's 6:30 and I've come out today to try and photograph the brown hares. Now the problem we've got is that it's a very thick misty morning, which I wasn't expecting, but I'm hoping that as the sun comes up it will burn it off, or help burn it off. It'll be nice in the field because it's quite moody and atmospheric, but I'm not quite sure. I think it's going to be quite grainy images. But let's head down to the bunch of trees I have in mind and we'll set ourselves up anyway. Visibility is not very good today, and I really wanted to see the hares. I saw them in this field about 5 years ago when I was photographing lapwings. Again, they were both, I wasn't expecting to see either of them, but it was the lapwings that caught my eye, a couple of them in the field, and then I noticed the hares. I got to about 6:30 and now it's kind of 9:40. It doesn't look like this mist is fog, low clouds. It's going to disappear anywhere soon. It's nice and quiet though. Strangely enough, I sat, had my flask of coffee, and it lifted in like 15 minutes. So I have just been sat here, even with glimpses of sunshine, for the last kind of 40 minutes. And nothing exciting yet, but I do keep hearing the buzzards, skylarks, magpies, pheasants, the sparrows, crows, sheep, pigeons, I'm going to keep my eyes and ears open for something special. Still hoping to maybe get the hares. I'm right opposite some good covering for hares to be kind of on the edge of, give them somewhere to dart. And obviously now that it's lifted, they're going to feel a lot safer coming out. Plus I'll get to see them if they come out. So I'm not cold. Bit hungry, bit thirsty. But I am just going to sit and enjoy. Cool, hands are getting a bit chilly now, I must admit. Sun's gone away behind the cloud. Kite. See, I found over Stenning that often once I've seen the kite, I generally get to see the buzzard and vice versa. So now that I've seen the kites, maybe I'll see the buzzard. It's funny that you used to have to go all the way to kind of Scotland to see the red kites, and then it got to the stage where you saw them on the M40 and like the M25. And then about 6-7 years ago, I was in the woods with a friend of mine in Stenning, and we could see the buzzard circling on the thermals, and in its same airspace was the smaller red kite with the the fan tail. And then when I read up on it, I found that it's not uncommon for them to share the same airspace because they're not really competing for food. Well, it's 5 to 11 and I am cold. Just sat here in the breeze, mainly my fingers, even though I've got like wind stoppers. I wish they were thicker. Hands are getting cold, that operating the camera is getting to be a little bit difficult. I think some thicker gloves are in order. That's the 4th time I've seen the Kestrel, but the first time I filmed it, but that's a long way away. It doesn't seem to be coming over this side. Perseverance, patience, hopefully will pay off. I was really hoping for the hares today. I mean, I know we get a lot of bunnies around here. In fact, the bunnies tend to just kind of stay close to the edge of the woodland. It's only the hares that are a bit braver that tend to head out more to the middle of the field. They're a bit braver because they're a bit bigger, and also I think they're our fastest land mammal in the UK. I think they reach up to like 40 miles an hour. I haven't even seen any bunnies today. And I can see quite a few fields, quite a few field edges. Especially between the binoculars and the camera, but nothing. Keep waiting. can hear the buzzard. I just can't see it. I'm hoping he'll go down into the valley so I get a good angle of an image as opposed to it just being in these bright white clouds this morning. Where is he? I can hear him really clearly. How can he be that loud and me not see him? Mad. Well, I found him again. Found the buzzard, but I really want him closer. He's just so far away, and that sky is so blinding. I've got some footage, but not much. Can't believe how loud he is, considering he's so far away. Barely make him out. And yet, it sounds like he's almost on my lap. I'll try and film. It's just too far. Too far. Too far. So it's proven to be not a bad spot. And I've got footage and photos of the Kestrel, Buzzard and the red kite, but they're not coming in close enough. That's just the luck of the draw. There's been some times I've been so close that at 600 mil it's just, you're not getting enough of the bird in, you know. You don't always get a day. Where you get to film and photograph everything. Today's been a bit of a trailer. You know, like when you watch a movie and you get a trailer of kind of what's happening. It's a bit like that today for me, where I've seen the Kestrel at a distance, the red kites at a distance, and the buzzards at a distance. So it kind of shows me what's going on, but without letting me have that amazing footage and the great quality photos. Well, it's just gone 12:30, and I've been here since about 6:30, 7:15. My arse is numb. I'm quite cold. I'm very hungry. and thirsty. Just wanted to say a big thank you to my subscribers and all those who regularly comment on my videos. I appreciate it. It really makes it worthwhile when you get out and the weather's cold or crap, or you don't want to get up and go out, but you do. It's nice to know that there's people out there that appreciate it. Thank you. If you've enjoyed today's video, then please give it the like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye for now.